What's up guys? So today we're going to be showing you how to install your pre-cut B-pillar overlays for your Nissan 370Z. These are going to be a direct overlay, so it's going to be a perfect fit, and they are going to be offered in a few different finishes for you, so for whatever suits your car best. And shout out to Alexis, as we are going to be demonstrating it today on her 370Z, so let's go ahead and get to it. So for the installation, all you're going to need is a lubricant. We use a mixture of water and baby shampoo. This is going to be used with a clay bar to prep your pillars before you install the vinyl. This will just remove any kind of contaminants that are stuck onto the actual B-pillar itself. This way you don't get weird random bumps. After that, all you need is 70% isopropyl alcohol. That is going to be to clean off any kind of residue, oils, greases, any of that for a perfect installation. And all you will want after that is a squeegee and your overlays. Your first step is going to be take your lubricant and a clay bar, and you are going to go ahead and clay bar these pillars, and then just dry them off with a nice clean microfiber. Once you set there, you're going to go ahead and take your 70% isopropyl alcohol, and you don't have to spray it directly on the panel, spray it on your microfiber. And go through and just wipe all the edges, as well as the face. And that is all there is to prep. And then you're ready to go ahead and put down your overlay. Make sure you do grab the correct side, as they are not the same exact piece. Left side and right side are going to be different. So this is our left side here. We're going to go ahead and just peel it right off of your backing paper. You also want to make sure that this is not installed in direct heat, as warm vinyl will end up deforming and stretching too much and you won't get your perfect finish. Anyways, once you have your vinyl ready, you're going to go ahead and basically line up this corner and your bottom corner here. Once you have those corners lined up, these corners all fall into place on their own. And like I said, this is pretty much a perfect fit, so you want to get it as close to that corner as possible. Lay it on there, bring it down to your bottom corner, and just go ahead and tack that down right there, just so that it's in place. Once you've got that down, you just make sure you don't want to pull on it, you don't want to stretch it. You just bring it out to this corner, bring it out to this corner, grab your squeegee, and after that, you are ready to go ahead and squeegee. All of these films are using cast material, so you do not need any kind of soapy water or anything to install them. They go on dry. They do have air release, so any air pockets will push out and actually breathe out of the vinyl, so you don't have to worry about any of that. After that, once you have everything squeegeed down just nice and flat, you just have your one last edge here. You want to make sure you just run your finger down that so you don't trap any air in there, and then just go ahead and use your squeegee to push that in behind the seal. And that is all there is to it, and you've got it done.